Stop by and take a look at the 2025 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: halogen headlamps, 4-piece floor mat set. Your new ride is just a phone call away.